Hi guys, my name is Harry and today I'm doing the unboxing of Xiaomi K20 Pro that I ordered over eBay. This video is shot in Melbourne, Australia, and I have received this package from Auspost. Before I start this video is not sponsored by a company or any agency, and this is my personal video. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Very nicely packaged. Looks good. Oh, that's the Oscode logo over here. Okay, so that's the box that we get. Remove the packaging from here. That's a pretty nicely packed package. Okay, I guess I'll cut it from here. Alright, what do we have more? That goes off. That's something from the seller, probably. We'll keep that aside. That's the Australian charger that the seller had promised he will send it along. That's nice. That's a fingering. That's a hook. Okay, so let's go ahead with the phone. Where to start cut it from? Ah, got it. And there we go. So that's the phone that I had ordered, Redmi K20 Pro. And that's the box. This is a 6 GB RAM and a 128 GB storage space model of the phone that I have ordered, and it's a glacier blue. So let's get it out, guys. Okay, so that's done. Let's keep it away. In the box we get some nicely packaged, that's the pin, some paperwork over here that we can keep aside. That's the back cover, which looks pretty nice with a soft touch on it. So this looks good. And that's the phone by itself. So that's the glacier blue we are talking about over here. Looks really nice, fancy. We'll keep it aside. More in the box. That's a US charger, and that's the charging cable which it comes with. Alright, let's go ahead and have a look at the phone over here. Regarding the specs of the phone, it's recently released, pretty recently released over here. Technology, it has supports 2G, 3G, 4G networks. It was announced in May 2019, and it's available. Regarding the body dimensions go from 6.17 into 2.93 into 0.35, I guess, inches, and it weighs pretty light. It's just merely 191 grams. For the SIM, it has dual SIM in it, dual nano SIM, I guess. Yep, dual nano SIM. That's where it goes. Right.